Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to take you guys through my recipes for a couple of essential things that I just have in my cupboard. I've got Ayla in the background having a chat. One is basil pesto, our family loves it. The second is hummus, and the third is my high protein packed granola or muesli. So yeah, just some quick, simple recipes that I like to show you guys. A food processor is also, or a blender, like a high-powered blender, is what you'll be wanting as well. The good thing about these recipes are they are on budget. They are cheap and easy and quick essentials that come in handy when you've got them in your pantry at home. We love them, don't we? So for the pesto, all you need is basil, some pepper, salt, olive oil, nuts, whatever nuts you've got. I'm chucking in some macadamias and some cashews just because that's all we've got, and some Parmesan cheese. I'll show you how it's done. Alrighty, so we've got our basil, we've got our nuts, we've got our garlic, quite loosely chopped, and our Parmesan ready to go. So you're going to blend the nuts and the basil together first. Turn the blender on first. This is so yummy. I love pesto. What do you reckon? Want me to do a good job? You can't eat it. So we finished our pesto. On to the hummus now. Yummy? Mm-hmm. Good pesto? Mm-hmm. For the hummus, all you need is a few cans of chickpeas, some tahini, some salt and pepper, and some lime juice. Kissing break. I've got company. So now I'm going to make my high protein muesli. Unfortunately, I've gotten to the bottom of this jar and I need some more. So we are basically going to grab all our ingredients, chuck them in a big bowl, and then chuck them on a baking tray. If you've got some baking paper, that would probably be best, but I don't, so I'm just going to use some coconut oil. For this recipe, you're going to need a few things. You need coconut oil, honey, ground cinnamon, some vanilla extract, maple syrup, almond butter or peanut butter or macadamia butter, whatever you want. I would have loved to have had more nuts to put in this, but I don't, so I'm just going to put some macadamias in. I've got pumpkin kernels. Pumpkin kernels are an excellent source of iron. Chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3s. They've got a lot of magnesium in them, and they're highly protein-packed, lots of fiber, and full of antioxidants. We've got just your normal oats, Got sunflower kernels, which are really high in fiber and a good source of protein. We've got coconut flakes, and the base, along with oats, are going to be quinoa. But quinoa is not going to be cooked; it's just going to be chucked in raw, which tastes quite nice. Very high source of protein as well. So all of these ingredients are awesome. Really, really good for you to start off the day with high protein muesli. So I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to pop in all my ingredients, just a sprinkle of each, and just to suit what your needs are. Mine is this jar. I'm not fancy here, I'm just going to rub it in with my hands. So you want it a little bit loose so the air can get through it and crisp it up a little bit. So I've popped that in the oven. I'll leave that for about half an hour, give it a quick stir, move it around, and then pop it back in the oven for another half an hour. I've got the oven on about 120 and that should be good. The muesli turned out beautiful. I actually had heaps, so I'm going to take some over for my friend. So it's looking beautiful, nice and roasted, smells delish. So yeah, pretty stoked about that. So I've got our muesli all ready to go. Beautiful pesto we made, which tastes beautiful. And we've got our hummus. So these are my 3 essentials I like to have in our pantry at all times. It's awesome when you're on a budget. They're cheap to make, easy to prepare, and they're a beautiful snack. Super healthy, full of fiber and protein and all the good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Catch me in the next episode to see what I'm up to next. Thanks guys, bye.